Hey friends, let's look at writing. Read the article Kids Dig In. After reading the article, write about why students are learning how to grow gardens. In your opinion, what would be the benefits of growing a garden at your school? So down here, once again, is the writing paper that's going to have what you need to answer. So real quick. After reading the article Kids Dig In, why are students learning how to grow gardens? So why? And in your opinion, what would be the benefits of growing a garden at our school? And then use evidence from the text. So let's go look at the text right here. And I'm going to look at the article. You have this in your Blizzard bag. But I'm just going to read it here. Kids dig in. Time to garden. More students are growing their own food. And this is courtesy of Madison Elementary. Students at Madison Elementary gather around the garden. So there's their garden that they made right there. Fruits and vegetable gardens are popping up at schools across the country. How did they get there? Students planted them. Check that out. Kids at Madison Elementary School in Redondo Beach, California, plant gardens in the fall and the spring. In October, they planted lettuce, radishes, carrots, broccoli, peas, and cauliflower. They harvested the crops in January. To harvest is to gather a crop. We know that. Harvesting, we talked about that in our first unit. The vegetables were washed and served at a salad bar. Extra food was sold in the school cafeteria for lunch. That's cool. This month, students will plant tomatoes, corn, sunflowers, and strawberries. Oh, I love strawberries. Students grow to love vegetables. Why are students learning how to grow gardens? Teachers want kids to learn healthy eating habits. Healthy food give the body the energy it needs to grow and heal. That's Lucy. She loves working in the garden. Many kids are now trying new foods and learning they like them. Lisa Samuelson is the parent volunteer in charge of the program. She says a lot of students have told her, I like salad. I didn't think I liked salad. Then those students have gone home and asked their parents to buy vegetables that they have tried at school. Samuelson's daughter Lucy is one of those students. She is in second grade. I love the garden, she says. I didn't really like vegetables before we had the garden. Then we found out that gardening is cool. Now I like vegetables. My favorite is carrots. Okay, you know I wanted to say salad instead of salad. I like salad. So now we're going to take what we learned in this and we're going to come back here. And why are students learning how to grow gardens? So you can come back in here and see why are they learning to grow gardens. Oh, look right here. Why are students learning how to grow gardens? I bet the answer is going to be in here. And then in your opinion, so this is up to you, what would be the benefits of growing a garden at your school? So what would be good reasons? Why should we grow a garden from school? Make sure you come back here and look for something in here. A reason in this article. Why? Why do you feel that way? What in this article made you feel that way? All right, guys, I can't wait to see what you wrote. Talk to you later.